The last convention we want to make is called convention of numbers from one base to another other than base 10. Don't be confused. If you pay attention to the first two conversions we did, you discover that we either converted from base 10 to other bases or we converted from other bases to base 10. So we had a relationship with base 10. That's why we're saying other than base 10. So this particular one, we want to convert from a particular base to another base that has no business with base 10. For example, you are asked to convert from base 2 to base 5. So you see, or you are asked to convert from base 3 to base 6. Let's look at examples. If the question says convert 201 base 4 to base 6. Second one, if the question says convert 133 base 5 to base 2. You can see from 4 to 6, 5 to 2. So let's see how that goes. To do this, to convert from other bases to other bases, we apply two methods. The first method is you will convert the number that is given to you to base 10 first. Move it to 10 first, and then when you get the answer of base 10, you now convert it to the required base. So the two methods involved are the expansion method and then the repeated division method. Those are the two methods you apply in this type. So let's pick the first one. The first one is 201 base 4. We are asked to move it to base 10. Sorry, to base 6. But like I said, take it first to base 10, and then from 10, you move to the required base. Remember how to convert from other bases to 10. Say give them place values, and then expand and simplify to the end. So this is 2 times the base, which is 4 raised to the power of 2 plus 0 times the base raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times the base raised to the power of 0. We continue. This is 2 times 4 raised to the power of 2 is 4 times 4, which is 16 plus 0 times 4 raised to the power of 1 is 4 plus 1 times, remember, 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1. We continue. 2 times 16 is 32 plus 0 times 4 is 0 plus 1 times 1 is 1. The final answer is 33 base 10. You have converted from 4 to 10. Now move from this answer to the required base, which is base 6. Remember to move from 10 to other base, we use the long division method. So we are moving from 3310 to the base 6 that is required. You draw a line, 33 is here, and then 6 is here. Remember, repeatedly divide the number given to you by the required base. We are going to see our 6 times table. Hope you know that. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. As you are counting, like as I was saying in the times table, you pay attention to the number that you are asked. 6 times 5 is 30. So that's the one that is closer to this. So it's 5 times. Remember, 30, if you remove 30 from 33, you have 3 left. Here, 6 cannot enter 5. Remember when a number cannot break it, we say 0, remember the number, and we read it upward. So that means 3 base 10 is the same as 5 3 in base 6. But the question was that you should convert from 201 base 4 to base 6. So therefore, the conclusion is that 201 that was given to us in base 4 is the same as 53 in base 6. Please, I'm sure you understand the steps. take it to base 10. From 10, we take it to the required base. Okay, to make it more clearer, the last one is 133 in base 5. We are to take that to base 2. Remember, we have to move first to base 10. From 10, we go back to the required base. So 133 base 5, 0, 1, 2 is the same as 1 times 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 times 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 3 times 5 raised to the power of 0. We are expanding because we want to convert to base 10. This is equal to 1 times 25. Remember, 5 raised to the power of 2 is 5 times 5. Plus 3 times 5 raised to the power of 1 is still 5. Plus 3 times 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Okay. 1 times 25 is 25. Plus 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 3 times 1 is 3. You add them together. 25 plus 15, that's about 40. 40 plus 3. So this is 43 base 10. After getting the number in base 10, we convert it to the required base. And the required base is base 2. So to convert it to base 2, we say use the long division method. So 43 base 10 to equals to, that's to base 2 is the same as 43 will be here and our 2 here. We keep dividing it till the end. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into 3 is 1 remainder 1. 2 into 20 is 10 remainder 1. 2 into 10 is 5 remainder nothing. 2 into 5 is 2 remainder 1. 2 into 2 is 1 remainder nothing. And then 2 into 1 cannot go, so it's 0 remainder 1. So 43 base 10 is equal to 1, 0, 1. Oh, remember you read it upward, okay? 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. So to conclude, you are asked to convert from 133 base 5 is the same as 10, 1011 base 2. It's pretty simple, right? Okay, we've come to the end of today's class. And in today's class, we've looked at a whole lot of things from the definition of number base to how to expand, to conversion, and then to even the last conversion, which is conversion from one base to another other than base 10. Okay, in our next class, we are going to look at how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide in other bases. Okay, as a take home, please try to solve these as your take home work. The question: convert the following to the required base. Okay, number 1, try 700 base 10 to base 8. Number 2, try to convert from 5 to 8, verse 9 to base 5. Thank you very much. I'll see you in our next class. Bye.